Hey guys, it's Kyle from MAPerformance. Today we're going to go over installing this CSF radiator in our 2022 BRZ. Our friends over at CSF were kind enough to send us over one of their Gen 1 BRZ radiators to go ahead and validate and test in our shop BRZ. So today we're going to go ahead and install that. Side note, I've already installed it. We've already brought this car to the track. We already know it works, it performs, it keeps the car super cool, and it also looks awesome. So stay tuned, stick around and watch me install this thing. So, brief rundown of how abouts we installed this radiator in the car. Obviously we took the bumper off. The core support is kind of a multi-piece steel, so you just take this front core support beam out, and then along with it, I took the radiator fans off. With that, obviously, intake's gotta come off. You're just basically clearing out the whole front of the vehicle. The bumper has to come off because there are a couple shrouds on the inside, as well as some connections to the AC condenser that you have to remove. So taking the bumper off is unfortunately essential in installing this. So like I said, fans out, bumper out, core support, upper bar out, intake out, and then you were able to take everything out with relative ease, just sneaking it past these coolant hoses over here. And all the connections are factory, so no need for new coolant hoses or anything like that. It installs exactly how it should. And then you're going to go ahead and bleed the whole cooling system. My preferred method is using a burping funnel. You can also use what's called an airlift or a vacuum pump to fill the cooling system. However, if you use that, you have to ensure that the entire cooling system is free of coolant. Otherwise, you are going to have a very bad time. Like I said, this is pretty much a piece of cake, not a super difficult install, just kind of a lot of things to remove. We took this car to the track, like I said before, ran her around the road course. She stayed nice and cool. So obviously this upgraded fully aluminum radiator from CSF is the move. I like to get the car kind of jacked up a little bit so the funnel is nice and high, and then run the car at about 3,000 to 4,000 RPM with the heat on. That way that you're making sure all the coolant is circulating through the entire system and you don't have any hidden air pockets that are going to cause a hot spot. You want to make sure that you bleed the cooling system thoroughly and fully and use only the OEM recommended coolant. If you guys want to continue to see more of this build, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see myself and the others, but mostly me. Until next time, thanks again. See you later.